Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix IMO system phone call in progress problem. Don't worry, follow my all steps, I hope solve your problem. Now first open your phone setting. Scroll down, tap on apps, search IMO account, tap on IMO. Now tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and tap on only clear cache, not clear data, only clear cache. Now tap on power button and tap on restart. After restart your device, open your IMO account. Finally, I hope solve your problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.